Hello, my name is Pritha Dubey, a sales professional turned a sales coach and the founder of Success Vitamin. The world is going through a lockdown, and this has affected the way businesses are running or are going to run in the near future. And therefore, selling during this time will continue to be challenging. As a sales leader, our task and our responsibilities become even more bigger. No longer can we just be involved in data mining and data analysis and checking the conversion ratios and following up with our team on how many prospects they have connected today, how many deals they have closed on a daily basis. Yes, this is a part of our job. At the same time, right now, this cannot be the only job. We need to now focus a lot on the human side of the leadership. And therefore, there are a few things that we have to very consciously involve ourselves in. Number one, ensure that the team motivation is high. Keep recognizing achievements, both at a team as well as an individual level. And also encourage a lot of collaboration among the team. This is the time when everybody has to work together to bring revenue for the organization. And you as a leader should also develop servant orientation within yourself. This is the time when you have to all the more show that you are part of the team and not separate from the team. Keep a check on their engagement level. Allow some time for them to enjoy themselves. Be a part of their discussion, maybe on a latest Netflix series. Ensure that they are also getting the time to relax with you. And most importantly, please do not micromanage. This will demotivate and disengage them from the work. This is the time for us to show the real leadership. As you all know, there is a saying that all good leaders could be good managers, but all good managers may not be good leaders. This is our time to be the leader that our team needs. Stay safe and take care.